Welcome to the DŌST assembly videos. In this one, Dave will show you how to install the mirror using the tools provided with the bike. You will find the instructions on the back. Take the mirror out and remove the cap on the bottom. There are two inserts. The big ones are universal, so you can use them on other bikes. The smaller ones are for the DŌST bike. Use the Allen key to remove the bolt completely. Take everything apart and place the screw in the hole. Place the insert back in and the bolts on the end. It's now ready to install on the bike. Over to the bike, first remove the cap from the handlebar. Next, take the mirror and slide it in and tighten using the tools provided. Ah, classic Dave. Make sure you tighten all the way. Your mirror is ready to go. If you have any questions, please visit support.dostbikes.com.